Hey guys, what's happening? How to convert raw photo to PNG on iPhone. So first of all, go ahead to find a raw photo, right? Download a raw photo and just basically go to the cloudconvert.com. Okay, so you can convert from raw to PNG. Select the file and choose from your library, or if you want to take a photo or video, or choose from files. Okay, and simply upload the raw photo, and the cloud convert will convert your image files online. Right, so let's another comment if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you.